VR Engage is a multi-role virtual simulator, giving users first-person control of a dismounted soldier or forward observer, the driver, gunner, or commander of a ground vehicle, a fixed or rotary wing pilot, or a sensor operator performing surveillance or reconnaissance tasks. VR Engage is the first-person component of the MAK ONE platform, a unique, common synthetic environment that delivers both computer-generated forces and player-controlled entities as part of a single, unified design. Build terrain in 3D content once and achieve full correlation across VR Engage's out-the-window and sensor displays, the instructor's plan view and God's eye views, and VR Force's AI perception models, including procedurally generated detail and dynamic terrain elements. All VR Engage, VR Forces, and VR Vantage users will experience synchronized weather and time of day, common configuration of interoperability settings, and a common simulation object editor to customize and extend our large library of simulation vehicle models and human characters. VR Forces serves as a common instructor interface to author scenarios and manage execution, where entities can be assigned to VR Engage player stations or configured with VR Forces AI behaviors and plans at runtime. Take control of an entity entirely with VR Engage, or play a role on a VR Forces controlled entity. Role-play multiple entities by switching between manual and CGF control on the fly. MAK focuses on the needs of system integrators, so we designed VR Engage to be as flexible as possible. VR Engage can be customized and extended to meet program-specific requirements, and integrated into a diverse range of system configurations. Pricing and support models are designed specifically to help system integrators win bids and deliver projects. Developed for use in training simulations or laboratory experimentation, VR Engage lets you participate in challenging training scenarios with air-to-air, air-to-ground, on-the-ground, and person-to-person engagements with voice communications, sensors, weapons, and countermeasures. Interact with the environment to operate equipment, create smokescreens, destroy buildings and bridges, and dynamically alter the terrain. VR Engage, the MAK ONE multi-domain, multi-role virtual simulator.